All of una dey mad when una bring Boko Haram and herdsmen to our land. Una eye go clear ndi Zuzu. Wow. Bravo. It's not the last one. Bravo. You are very, very, very brilliant. Wow. Like you reason like an adult. That you are. That's amazing. Wow. You're so intelligent, brother. Wow. So, this is what they have been teaching you guys in the church? Huh? Wow. So, they teach you people how to abuse other people that doesn't believe in your faith? Wait a minute. So, as your neighbor Bononoga, wow. You are representing them very well. I'm so proud of you. That's amazing. I mean, look at you. Look at how you are telling everybody in the social media how intelligent and reasonable you are. The last born. You're so wise. Huh? Anyways, I envy your intelligence. I envy you. I mean, it's really good that you're practicing what your priest teaches you guys in the church. Oh, what do you think? I mean, you're doing an amazing work. Oh, lest I forget. Do you know that there are Christians in the Fulani land? Oh, Idurawe. Don't worry, I'll tell you, brother. There are Christians in the Fulani communities. And funny enough, I've never come across anybody dragging them on the internet. Fulani people, Fulani Christians are stupid, Fulani Christians are Zuzu, Fulani. Like, I've never heard of it, neither have I seen one. But because of the Muslims in Igbo land, you are naked enter market. Wow. I mean, you're so thoughtful. That's amazing. You're doing a wonderful job. I mean, it's very nice you're letting us know that, you know, it's very nice. You know, I thought it's only your loved ones, and I mean the people around you that knows that wow. But I think it would be nice if you travel out of your comfort zone, because I'm all done. We haven't go be she main gym before. Have you traveled before? Poor boy. Don't worry, I promise you, if you travel out, if you visit places, if you associate with people of different calibers, different tribes and countries, if I may put it that way, I mean, you will learn a lot, right? Yeah, I believe so. And because you're so brilliant. Wow, the last one. I envy your intelligence. You're really, really well trained at home. You're well trained at home. Nna, idikwego. Kanju kenegi. Eme. Kono just na kisemu. Eya. Anyways, my grandfather that became the first Muslim in my village did not bring any Fulani headsmen in the community. I think he was not wise at all. He was supposed to make another community. Create another Fulani community in my village. But the old man didn't think that way. That wasn't fair at all. Secondly, ever since the existence of Islam in my community, that's for the past 78 or 79 years, since 1949 precisely, we've not had any Boko Haram in my village. Why? I really wish we could have one. Or should we create them now? Come, the last one. Should we create another Boko Haram now? What do you think? Because since Islam came into my community, we don't have a village called Fulani village. Neither do we have any crisis called Boko Haram. But I think it's high time we give it a try. What do you think? You're so brilliant. So brilliant. You are. Hey, yeah. I never knew people from your clan could be this intelligent, But now I can see now. Guys are intelligent. And they're teaching you people very well. Yeah, trust me. Your priest in the church that, taught you how to abuse other people that believe in their own faith different from yours. They're doing an amazing work. Masha Allah, they're doing an amazing work. Because if not that they are teaching you guys very well, why would you come on the internet to abuse someone you don't even know, people you've not even met, because they don't believe in what you believe in? That shows how intelligent you are. You're so brilliant. Mashallah. Oh, let me read that comment again. All of una dey mad. When una bring Boko Haram and herdsmen to our land, una eye go clear. Ndin zuzu. Oh. Dude is too brilliant. Oh my God, I'm jealous. Wow. Mashallah. Bravo. You're doing an amazing work, bro. You are representing your village people very well. Very well. Like, unu na-ama akwụkwọ ọfụma, unu na-amakwa n'ife. Unu ma ife. Unu ma ife ọfụma. Maka na ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ na ịma ihe, ịma mbịa kwuwenu dịka ya, ọsọ ndị ma ihe na-ekwukere ihe dị na ịntanetị. Ịghọta ya na-ekwu. Na ịma agba onwe gị n'ife. You're so intelligent. I know Hausa people will be very, very jealous of you right now. Hausa people, don't mind them. They want to colonize the Igbo Muslims. They must be very jealous of you. Wonderful. Rubbish.